Hello everyone, it's Kavita from Red Door Yoga. Thank you for joining me online for the Red Door Yoga Mini Sutra series. Today I wanted to talk to you about wiring for comfort. Another way to think about that is wiring to avoid discomfort. So here's the thing, we are all wired to avoid discomfort. And that's because discomfort indicates on some levels something that might be dangerous to us, harmful in some way. It doesn't mean that that is factual. It means that it could indicate that. And so we are wired to go, oh, if that's uncomfortable, we should probably avoid that. We should probably go. Okay? And so the reason that's important to understand is that recently I was talking about, not waiting for motivation to achieve the things you value. Well, that's because most of the time, the things we value require us to go through some form of discomfort for. And so most of the time, what's going to come up in terms of our internal messaging isn't a gung-ho, let's go, but rather, I don't know, that's a little uncomfortable, we should probably avoid that. I gave the example when I was talking about something you might value. I'd given the example in that past video of being physically healthy and therefore eating in a healthy manner. Well, if I wanted to eat in a healthy manner, I have to put some preparation into my food. I have to eat foods that have a little less sugar in them. I like sugar, right? So a little less sugar in them, or, a little less of unhealthy fats and whatnot. And as far as my brain is concerned, those are foods that are less tasty, okay? Because those high sugar, high not so great fats and things that have a lot of chemicals in them, they tend to really kind of firework off our taste centers. So as far as we're concerned, to eat in a healthy manner is to eat less inspiring food, things that bring us less comfort. So we're usually less motivated towards healthy eating than we are motivated towards, let's say, ice cream, okay? Or towards, a really fatty steak or something. So, it's important for us to recognize that wiring is at play and not rely on our mind to sell us a story before we'll do what we need to do. Because if the mind's going to sell us a story, it's usually the one that says, avoid that discomfort and move towards comfort. That couch is really comforting. That ice cream's really comforting. That relationship, not so great, but you've been in it for 5 years, really comforting. Okay? So what you need to do is be really clear on your values. Understand that your wiring is going to work against you initially, which is why you don't listen to the stories coming out from back here. You listen to the drive of your value system. Let that be your guide. I hope that was helpful, everyone. And as you all know, I actually run a mentorship, and I would be happy to have you in it. The doors aren't open right now. We will reopen in September. And so I'm going to invite you to join the waitlist at themasterfulpath.com. Once you join the once we open the doors, you'll get an email to let you know. Okay. In the meantime, I look forward to seeing you here online, where we can discuss more of these self-mastery ideas, this yoga philosophy. If you find it helpful, share it with others. Okay. It's my pleasure being here with you, and I look forward to seeing you again online very, very soon. Namaste.